Hello, welcome to a new broadcast of Global News. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topics like the pollution and the purification of the water. I'm here with Andrea, Jairo, Cristina, Luciana, Gabriel, Bernardo, Santiago, and Wendy. All of them specialists in different characteristics of the subject. First, we are going to talk about the pollution of the water. Andrea, can you tell us the definition of water pollution?
Water pollution consists of a modification, generally caused by man, in the quality of the water, making it a property of dangerous for human consumption, industry, agriculture, fishing, and recreation activity, as well as for domestic animals and natural life. A water is contaminated when its composition or state is altered, direct or indirect, as a result of human activity in such a way it's less suitable for one or a lot of uses in the intent for which it would be suitable in its natural quality. In conclusion, it's necessary to take care of the water to avoid this. Thanks. Now let's go with Vanessa.
Thank you. Now, Jairo, what are the main causes of water pollution?
Hi, my name is Jairo, and these are the main pollutants of the water. Industrial waste is one of the main water pollutants. Pesticides used. These products can leak out to the waterways, pouring water in there. Deforestation. Excessive deforestation of forests contribute to the disappearance of rivers and lakes. Oil spills became one of the most harmful not only to the water, but to the entire environment. The increase of temperature. When the temperature increases, the water sources dry up. Thanks for hearing me. Now let's go with Vanessa.
Thank you. Now, Cristina, can you tell us the main water pollutants?
Here, sure. The main water pollutants are food waste, industrial waste, construction materials, radioactive liquids, among others. Water pollutants include domestic waste, food processing residues, pollutants from livestock farms, volatile organic compounds, heavy metals, cardiac, worm disease,
Thank you. Now, Luciana, what are the consequences of water contamination?
Hi, Vanessa. I'm Luciana, and I'm going to talk about the damage in contaminated water. First is the disappearance of biodiversity and aquatic ecosystems. Also, the human being is very affected due to the alternation in the food chain and contract diseases when drinking or using water. We can get sick, and also we can die if we use contaminated water because it has many chemicals that affect to our body.
Now, can you tell us something about the pollution by industry?
Yes, of course. It happens when industries use water to wash their products in manufacturing, then carries toxic substances such as acid, heavy metals, salts, and remain of decomposition materials. The water is thrown by large tubes into rivers, lakes, seas as a polluted liquid. Those directly affected are flora and fauna, especially the smallest fish. Large fish are more resistant to toxic compounds, and instead of dying, they accumulated in their bodies. When these fish are consumed, they are receiving back the waste from industries. That's why we don't have to throw nothing to rivers, lakes, seas, because we can affect to our ecosystems and to our health. Thank you. Let's go with Vanessa.
Thank you. At this point, we had learned something about the contamination, so we are going to pass with the purification of the water. Gabriel, can you tell us the definition of water pollution? Purification.
Water purification. Water is the most abundant chemical compound on the planet and is indispensable for the development of life. It is made up on oxygen atoms and two hydrogen atoms, and its chemical formula is H20. In nature, it is found in solid, liquid, and gaseous states.
Thank you. Bernardo, how does the water purification process works?
Yes, Vanessa. For quality of drinking water to reach our taps, it goes through an important process known as water filtration. This process eliminates solids, agents, and contaminants, viruses like parasites and bacteria that the water has in origin so we can consume it without the risk of getting sick. The water filtration is the process of passing liquid to a porous of granular medium to eliminate all of those bacteria we say in the past. Thank you. Now we'll go with Vanessa again.
Thank you. Santi, what are the advantages and disadvantages of water purification?
Hello, Vanessa. Advantage. The most obvious advantage is that they allow access to pure water to anyone who wants it. This is especially useful in areas where quality is lower. It also arguably improves the quality of the water wherever it comes from. 2. These devices allow anyone to drink water without risk to their health. In other words, they increase safety and reduce the risk of disease or infection from drinking contaminated water. For example, they completely eliminate the risk of gastrointestinal disease from bad water. Disadvantage. There is no doubt that the use of water purifier brings many more advantages that disadvantage, but to try to be fair and objective, we will also look at some of their less favorable or improbable points. 1. It is not a negative point in itself, but for a water purifier to fulfill its function, it is necessary to keep it in a perfect condition, which mainly involves checking and changing filters. Manufacturers often incorporate specific instructions, and 2. Water purifiers are very expensive to maintain. Hello, and we pass with Vanessa.
Thank you. Now the last one, but no less important, Wendy. Can you tell us the water purification process?
Yes. Hi, I'm Wendy, and I'm going to talk about the water purification process. The drinking water purification process is a series of steps to which water is subjected to remove microorganisms and residues in order to obtain water of higher purity and consumable quality. Coloring is the main water disinfection product in which chloride compounds are used that have a germical action that eliminates some bacteria, molds, and algae. It also maintains a balance of the population of pathogenic microorganisms that can be found in water. Internal red filtration is a filtration system that traps the larger particles suspended in the water by remaining in the different layers of sand that have different thicknesses between them. Activator carbon filtration is used in water treatment because it has a high capacity to absorb various elements. It also beneficial applications are related to the reduction of taste and odor of chloride, sediments, and organic compounds. Thank you.
Well, we hope, do you have some questions? Well,
Hola, prof.
Well, we hope you enjoy and like it. We hope you understand about this important topic. For then, we will take care of the water instead of wasting water or contaminating it to avoid problems in the future, problems with the planet. But you have to start by knowing what are we doing and how. With this broadcast, you can learn about it. Uh, See you later.